Hello friends, welcome to the Mental Gym Chess Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at 5 basic checkmates. These checkmates are very common and they do occur in your game. So we are going to see 5 different types of checkmates. So let's start. The position in front of you is a typical example of Boden's mate. So in this position it is white to play. If you want, you can pause the video and find the best winning move for white. Okay, so here white plays the move bishop a6. This gives a check and it is a checkmate because our other bishop on g3 is controlling the whole diagonal and this is also a check. So the black king has no square to move. So here white wins the game. So this is called as Boden's mate. It is done with 2 bishops. The rook and pawn are self-obstructing the black's king. We will see one more position. So this is little advanced version of Boden's mate. Here also you can pause the video and try to find the best move. In this position, white has a stunning move. Queen into f6 check. So this is a queen sacrifice. Black king has nowhere to go, but he can capture our queen with the pawn back. But this opens the diagonal h6 to f8 and we play the move bishop h6 and it is the same pattern repeated Boden's mate. Mating with 2 bishops. They are like scissors. And here black has no square to move and this is simply a checkmate. We will move on to the next checkmate. This is quite simple. This is called as back rank checkmate. Here we can see the king is stuck at the back rank and the pawns are obstructing the king. So after rook e8 check, the king has nowhere to go. So this is called as back rank checkmate. One more position of this type. So this is little advanced version. You can stop the video and find the good move for white. In this position, we cannot directly play f8 and give back rank checkmate because there are already 2 defenders controlling that f8 square. So first white plays the move of queen f7, forcing the black king to move away, and now f8 square is little weak, so we play queen f8, check, queen sacrifice, bishop takes and checkmate the black with rook f8. And again this is a back rank checkmate. The pawns are obstructing the king. Moving on to the next checkmate. So here we come to the example of hook mate. So what is hook mate? Hook mate is delivered with the help of rook, knight and pawn. So knight is doing excellent job and after the move rook d8, this is a simply checkmate. King has no squares to move. All the squares are controlled by our pieces. Knight is supporting the rook. So we call this as a hook mate. Let's see one more example. Again here you can stop the video. And this is quite similar to the previous example. This is also the example of hook mate. It's white to play. Here white plays the stunning move of queen into c8. Now for hook mate, if we imagine we need our rook on b8 square. But our rook is not a superman and he'll directly fly over to the b8 square. No. The way for the rook is like this, but there are 2 pieces obstructing that way. So by playing forcing queen into c8 check, we force the black king to take the queen and now we deliver check, and wherever the black king goes it will be checkmated using the same pattern of hook mate. The knight is supporting the rook, a7 square is controlled, a8 is controlled, c8 is controlled, a6 is self-obstructed. This is simply a checkmate. If the king goes to d7, rook d8 is a checkmate, the same mate. Let's move on to the next pattern. This is the typical example of Anastasia's mate. Here it's white to play and white plays the Muruk h5 and this is checkmate. Why? Our knight on e7 is controlling two important squares g8 and g6, so king cannot run there, and this is a check. This is simply a checkmate. So Anastasia's mate is given with the help of rook and knight. So this is a typical position. Now using the knowledge of this position, we will try to find the move here. You can pause the video and try to find the winning sequence. It is white to play. Here white first plays the move knight d7, bringing our knight to the best square, from where it will control these two important squares. King goes to a8, and now we sacrifice the queen, forcing black king to come out, and after rook a3, this is same Anastasia's mate. Let's move on to the next pattern. Our last type of checkmate is smothered mate. Smothered mate is basically delivered with the help of knight. And after knight c7, this is simply a checkmate. A beautiful one because all the pieces are obstructing the king. King has nowhere to go. Let's see one more position. In this position, you can pause the video and try to find the winning move for white. Again, the example is of smothered mate. Here white plays the stunning move of queen g8 check, forcing the rook to take the queen and obstruct his own king, and king has no place to run, and after knight f7 our smothered mate pattern is again repeated. So in this video we have finally solved or seen 5 important basic types of checkmates. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.